Hey guys, welcome to Dodo Makes. Happy Independence Day everyone. So on this special day, we are also going to be making a special recipe in our channel, and that is Tri-colour Cornflower Halwa, in which no preservatives or food colors are going to be added. Only natural ingredients are going to be involved today. So let's have a look at how to create this tasty halwa recipe. Firstly, to a pan I am adding 1 cup of milk. So once this gets heated, add 1 cup of sugar to this. To 1 cup of corn flour, add some water and make it into a paste. Add this paste to the pan. Keep stirring it even while adding the paste. This paste is going to thicken up the mixture. Guys, kindly make sure the flame is low. Keep stirring it until you attain a thick consistency. So now we are able to see some solids forming around. So now the dough has become non-sticky. At this stage, turn off the flame. Transfer this halwa to a bowl. Refrigerate this for about 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, lengthen this using your hands and divide this into 3 equal parts. And add this to 3 bowls. Now to 1 piece of this halwa, I'm gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of carrot juice. To observe the color, heat this for about 1 minute on a pan. Now a perfect orange layer has been attained. Similarly, do the previous steps. Now I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of spinach extract. Heat this as the previous way. So the green layer for halwa is also ready now. So make each layer of the halwa into even parts and place one over the other. And that's it guys, here you have it. We have made a look-alike for a tricolour flag. Divide this into equal pieces. Since it is halwa, we cannot make perfect squares out of this, but still it will taste delicious. And friends, I prepared this halwa recipe early in the morning today, but due to some issues I couldn't publish earlier, but that's not a big deal. If you have the required ingredients, try at your home today and enjoy this halwa recipe. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your family members, and don't forget to subscribe to Dodo Mix. Take care everyone, bye bye.